Hey YouTube, this is Dine Balls. This is my Fit Inman Two bike check. I just got it like a week ago maybe, and it's actually a pretty decent bike. I like it a lot. So far, I have stock handlebars, ODI long neck grips, stolen Vortex bar ends, stock stem, stock tires and wheel, whatever. I got hop-in pegs, stock forks, stock frame, of course, and I got a Shadow Conspiracy seat, pivotal, stock pedals, so the Odyssey pedals, same peg, and same cranks, stock ones, and then I got a Shadow Conspiracy sprocket scream, and hold on, wait, let me get into a better light. And the chain, I have a Shadow, might be Shadow Conspiracy, I'm pretty sure, I forget what it is already. I think it's a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain. Yeah, Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, black. And then I just got these chromies from some kid. Yeah, so it's a good bike. It's pretty light. It was $420 when I got it at local BMX, so I like it. Pretty good. But the hub sounds pretty weird actually. It sounds pretty funny. Hold on. Alright, well, I'm just gonna put the phone down and you can hear it because it's gonna be difficult. It's really quiet compared to all the other hubs that are out. It's actually a pretty quiet one. So there you go. Is the Fit Inman Two. I really request you getting it. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering, it does come with brakes. I just took them off because I don't like brakes. And it's pretty cool. You can there's this thing right there that you can unscrew where the brake cable goes through, and instead of fucking having to do a million things to get it off, you just unscrew it and it comes off. And there's the other shit, and then yeah. So there it is. Buy it.